In the spring, you leave everything. In the winter, it's like dead sticks coming out of the ground. In the spring, looks bad, leave it. Then what happens is these buds here form these little stems on which buds appear that are your new flowers, but next year, so don't touch. Just prune the tips off, and then when you're sure, like I said, that these aren't going to green up, cut them all the way down. What do you do with these hydrangeas? Old wood, new wood? Do you cut them back? We had a great year this year for hydrangeas. Okay, here's the thing. These are arborescens, smooth hydrangeas, Annabelles. So they're not the macrophylla types. You have to worry about the buds and oh my goodness, are they gonna, no, what should you do? These are blooming on new growth, new wood in the current year. What a lot of people do with these is they cut them down to like 12 to 18 inches in the late winter, early spring. You could do that now if you wanted, just to get them out of your hair because they're taking over, but I would just wait at this point. You can certainly control for size anytime. Or these blooms form on new growth from this year, new wood, okay?
Yep.
So I'd recommend leaving this until spring.
Okay.
Wildlife, it's nice to enjoy this, and also, like through the winter, having some structure, snow on it, whatever.